Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a full day of eating video. Right now, I'm just about to eat my breakfast, which is my my shit waffles from my cookbook, Shit You'll Actually Cook. I've made the how to make these so many times in video. I just didn't make them. I didn't film the process. But if you want the recipe, it's in my cookbook, and it's on the Instagram of Shit You'll Actually Cook, so check that out. But yeah, just getting my morning started. This morning I actually weighed in a little heavier, like a whole pound heavier than I usually do, which is kind of funny. It doesn't freak me out because weight fluctuates, and that's something that I kind of want to get my point across to people. When you weigh yourself every day, your weight is going to fluctuate. I use an app called Happy Scale. You probably can't see this. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. So yeah, these, like, I keep track of all my weigh-ins every day. My lowest weigh-in has been 141, but I've been averaging lately between 142, 143. So I'm trying to lose about maybe like a half a pound a week, if at all, or just staying steady, because I don't want to lose weight too fast. I want to keep as much muscle as possible, because I don't have as much muscle as I want, so I don't want to lose that in the process of leaning out. And then also, I don't have the gym access that I normally do, so got my home gym, so things are a little different. Kind of having to change things up, and I'll talk about that a little bit more once I get some coffee in my system and wake up, so I don't just ramble and then forget what it is I'm talking about. So yeah, gonna eat this, drink a lot of coffee, and get some work done, and I will see you in a bit. Alright, it is about 10 a.m. and I have just newly incorporated cardio into my summer shredding prep. So this is actually day 3 of incorporating running, and I gotta get to that before it starts raining. It is supposed to start raining. It is very cloudy, and whoa, and it's actually very cold. I don't know if you were just able to see any of that. It looked really weird. Can you see that? Oh, yeah, you did. Okay, so overcast, about to start raining. Gonna go for a run, then walk my little she-devil dog before it's too late. I'll probably work out this afternoon. It's supposed to be my off day for working out, but you know what? Not gonna happen. I will go crazy because I can't really do anything else. So still gonna work out, probably just do some isolation movements on my like lagging type body parts, just to hit more, keep up the frequency of hitting those body parts, because like I don't have as heavy of weights, so I'm kind of trying to focus on more volume, higher reps, more frequency, so I don't lose any muscle mass. That's basically my current game plan. But yeah, time to run. Okay, so I'm back from my run and my dog walk. All went good. I live on a hill, so running up that hill is a lot like being on the Stairmaster. So that's interesting. It's also still really cold. You can see my breath. Maybe not. But anyways, lunchtime. And so I've got some tilapia here. And cabbage, ginger, and some sweet potato. I've also measured out some coconut oil because we're getting a little bit more strict with our measurements and our macros. Also, tilapia is not my favorite. It kind of tastes like mud. It's also, it's not actually the healthiest for you. It's just very lean. So, yeah, the omega-6 to omega-3 ratio is not the greatest. Like when you get in salmon is like got really high omega-3, and tilapia, not so much. It is a freshwater fish and it tastes like mud. So to get the mud taste to be masked, I am doing a little bit of wasabi. I really love wasabi though, so if you don't like it, this might not be the dish for you. And some sriracha. So I'm gonna get going and give you some food porn to watch during your quarantine. So, this is lunch. It is done. Then just drinking a carbonated water, which if you're a soda drinker or have been in the past, this is a great way to kind of kick that habit. I'm just going to get some work done, eat this food. I'm hungry. I am hungry more often now that I've lowered my calories a bit. What? You want my food? You always want my food. Which is actually kind of nice because being full all the time is not actually that enjoyable either. But yeah, so I will see you in a bit, possibly dinner time. Hey guys, what's up? So it is dinner time, and I have already cooked dinner. I didn't film the the cooking process because I want to try to not completely overwhelm myself right now and make these videos too long, and when they're long, it's a lot of editing time. So I'm just showing you what I'm eating instead of cooking. I'll do more cooking videos throughout the week that are like single meal cooking segments, and then probably talk about something. I've done those before, and I enjoy making those. So, you know, might as well make some more. So for dinner today, I have ground turkey, and I have sweet potatoes, and I have kale. And I am hungry, so I'm looking forward to eating this. I did not sleep very well last night, so I'm definitely like starting to feel like crashy tired, and ready to like check out my brain and just maybe actually sleep tonight. That'd be good. And then maybe like set some rules to not be allowed to look at any information regarding the coronavirus currently, because my brain just likes to be on fire. Anyways, I'm gonna eat now. See you in a bit. Alright, so it's time for my last meal of the day, which is this weird kind of protein concoction that I tend to make basically every day. But it is protein powder and peanut butter powder mixed with, or mashed up with, some roasted sweet potato. Sometimes I do almond butter, but I had more carbs left. I didn't have any fats left, so I did sweet potato instead of almond butter. It's kind of like a brownie tasting, or like a cookie dough consistency. I like it, whatever gets my protein up there. Yeah, so that's it for today. I'm gonna end it here. Look out for some more cooking videos during the week. My mind is still a little bit distracted and exhausted, so I'm gonna probably try to end this evening of work now and go watch my 600-pound life. Maybe try to mentally check out. I have been trying and unsuccessfully been unsuccessful at mentally checking out, basically since my gym closed, and everyone's gym closed. Just a lot of anxiety, a lot of me still trying to like focus, and I can only really focus on looking up like coronavirus information, which currently we don't really know what's gonna happen. We don't know an insight. I got an email today from my gym saying that as of right now, they're hoping that they can open up the gym again on April 1st. And they said that they would if they are given the go-ahead to do so. If not, then not. And then they were also saying, if you can, to help us out, please don't cancel your membership. Please keep your membership with us. And I completely understand that. And of course, I will keep my membership with my gym as long as I can, even if I can't go, because as a small business owner myself, struggling, I know this is probably just as anxiety provoking for them. So if you have a gym that is closed, don't cancel your membership if you can afford it. Help out your local gym. The big chains, a little different. I know a lot of them are actually like refunding their members up until they can open again. But if you can do it, support your gym, support your local gym, support a local business in any way, shape, or form you can, because they're really struggling right now. And yeah, on that note, that is it for today's video. Hopefully the next one will be a little bit more exciting. I don't know. You know, there's not much we can really do in this lockdown mode. So we work out, we eat, and we work. So let me know how you guys are coping so far. Let me know how you're doing with like the predictions of when this might all be over. That'd be interesting to hear your all's perspective. So peace out. Peace out. See you next time. I can't talk.